So now we are going to solve this question. This question says, when I was 60, my brother was half my age. Now I'm 80. How old is my brother? This is a very simple question. So let's see. It says, when I was 60, which means I was 60. My brother was half my age. So the age of brother will be half of 60. That is 30. Okay. Now we can see that the difference in their ages is 30 years and it will remain 30 years for all their life. The other part of the question says, now I am 80. Now I am 80. Then how old is my brother? My brother will still be 30 years old, younger than me. That is 50.